want to show you something. This is my original radio, right? And to be honest with you, I don't listen to the radio. I really don't. I know there's a lot of great stations out there, but I'm just not interested. Just because when I drive around, sometimes I'll get the signal, sometimes I don't. I just hate it. However, what I do love is Bluetooth and USB, right? So I thought with my other cars, I've removed the radio and install a new one. So luckily for me, I actually have one. So this is a radio that I bought from, I don't know, Walmart or something. It's dirt cheap. But the cool thing is it does have Bluetooth and it does have a USB, so I can listen to my MP3. Okay, I've never done this for a Porsche before, so this is new for me. But what I was told is there are two little links underneath. I don't know if you can see it from my view, but they're there. And what I need to do is, I think it's one here and one here. What I need to do is, if you bought your car brand new, they would have given you something similar to this, or something similar to like a tripod kind of thing. All right. And what it is on each side, you'd have to insert one of these, and it's not. You see how the blade points out? That's how you have to insert it. And what that does is it unhooks the locks for you to pull out. All right. So let's do that first, okay? And then we'll go. So as you can see, this is hooked in, and it allowed me, and it required a little bit of effort, okay? But the cool thing out of this is that, as you can see, I get the radio out, okay? Nothing special. So this over here is the antenna. So I'll unhook the antenna. These two are the wires, right? Here is the wire to my radio. I then bought a harness, as you can see. Now, let me take a look to see if I can do this, because I'm noticing something unique. Okay, but what I did is I tie the original wire that comes with the radio to the harness that matches the Porsche. This is a lot of wires, right? But to be honest with you guys, if you follow the color scheme, you'll notice that they match up 1-to-1. Now, you'll have some extra wires. Like on this side, I've got some remote control. Not a big deal. I'm not using it, so I don't care. Okay? So what I'll do is I'll unhook this, and then I will hook in this radio. But before I even, put everything back in, I want to turn on the car, make sure everything works. Okay? So let me unhook it. So already I've got a dilemma. Okay? This connector does not connect with this, right? And when I turn on the car, I got power. The only thing I don't have is audio, right? So I have to take a look to see what I need from here. And then I need to, I don't want to splice up the cable though. So let me see what I need to do to plug it into here to finish it off. Okay? Okay. All right. Unfortunately, because of this, I have to do more research to figure out which wiring goes to what. I definitely don't want to just hack my way through this. I got to do it right. And if I want to show you guys, I've got to show you guys the right way. So at least for this video, you guys figure out how to unplug, you know what I mean, and install the backs, all right? So if for any reasons your original broke, at least you can buy an alternative and plug everything back in. And it's fairly easy to take apart. Wiring is not the easiest, as I can tell. But then again, not everything is, so we'll make it work, all right?